Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy a design of an element in Wix. This is incredibly useful when you want to maintain consistency across your website without having to manually recreate styles every single time. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website to proceed. This will take you to the specific website settings you need to access. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure this is the correct website where you want to copy a design. It's important to double check this so you don't accidentally make changes to the wrong site, especially if you're managing multiple websites under one account. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to move forward with editing your site's design elements. After clicking Design Site, you'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your site. From here, locate an element you wish to copy the design from. For this example, let's say we want to copy a button design. Head over to the left navigation menu and click on Add Elements. This is your gateway to all the design tools and components available in Wix. The Add Elements menu will expand, revealing a comprehensive list of all the elements you can use to customize and design your website. Scroll through until you locate the Button Elements section and click on it. Now you'll see various button styles displayed. Select a sample button that we can use to demonstrate the copy design procedure. Click and drag the button you wish to copy a design from onto your page. This adds the element to your workspace so you can interact with it. Once the button is added to your page, click on it to select it. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, indicating it's active. Now right-click on the selected button to view the customization menu. This menu contains several options for managing and styling your element. From this menu, look for the option labeled Copy Design and click on it. This is the key feature that allows you to duplicate styling across multiple elements effortlessly. After clicking Copy Design, you'll see a list of all the designs you have saved for this particular element type. Simply click on Apply and this design will be copied and ready for further use. You can now paste this design onto any other button or similar element on your site, ensuring a uniform look without starting from scratch each time. And there you have it. You've successfully copied the design of an element in Wix, making your design process faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.